Simple PHP Examples, Chapter 1, Civil. Welcome to Simple PHP Examples, a progressive tutorial showing modern PHP features in action. This micro-framework demonstrates how much you can achieve with minimal code. Each page is rendered by a single 4 to 5 line PHP file. Let's look at the source code to see how it works. The entire application is a single anonymous class instantiated and echoed in one statement. At the top, we define a type string constant for the default page. This is a PHP 8.3 feature. The page's array maps route names to titles and HTML content. Simple, but effective. Notice the asymmetric visibility on these properties. Public to read, private to write. That's PHP 8.4. The constructor uses PHP 8.5 pipe operator to process the request. It trims, sanitizes, and falls back to the default. The toString method builds the navigation using first-class callables, another modern PHP feature. Finally, a Heredoc returns the complete HTML response. Clean, readable, and all in one file. That's Chapter 1 of Simple PHP Examples. 44 lines of modern version 8.5 compatible PHP. Check out the code on GitHub, and thanks for watching. github.com/markc/espe